Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So today I'm looking at a 2012 Outdoors RV Creekside. And so the customer came in and did some of the repairs, but one of the things that he was having an issue with, and I want to talk about water and condensation as well while we're here. So the water just dripping off, morning dew. So this whole sidewall is completely delamined. And so when I say delamined, it's completely, the glues and stuff have let loose. It also affected part of the front cap area, and it's even started on the other side. So the customer is basically saying, hey, go ahead and take the molding loose and re-glue that wall back. And we do have specialty glues for that. But when this happens, when we go ahead and disturb these moldings and take this, whole molding here all the way down off, typically what we see is a lot of water damage in the wood that holds this sidewall from this sidewall to the mounting surface. And so we didn't want to go ahead and have him allow us to open this up, knowing that it's going to be a can of worms. We did a while back like this. I'm not sure if we had the video, but we do have pictures. We have to scroll back through our Facebook history and find them. But we had a similar creekside come in that had a water leak on this as well, same kind of area. And it ended up dry rotting the bedroom floor, and it went pretty far back. And so we have pictures and stuff of that where we actually ripped out everything underneath and fixed the flooring. So most cases, most times people don't really realize what's all involved. So on this one, the roof's been coated, and then there's a coating up on the roof that would have to be undone. The side corner molding over here would have to become undone, insert moldings. And when we look this unit over, basically all the body sealants on it is all separated, bled out, has gaps and separations in it all the way down. The side seams of the Z-lock is missing. It doesn't have any screws. There's sealants around all the compartment doors and stuff that aren't sealed correctly. Same thing with the windows and so on. So we've asked the owner to come down. I believe he's going to come down today, and today's Wednesday the 4th. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to be here for him. I've got a dental appointment, but I'm sure one of my guys will go over it with him. But the other issue too is when we take this apart, there's going to be water damage back behind this cap. It's going to be possible mold, mildew. When these things get wet and these different glues get wet and the woods get wet, it basically activates a formaldehyde issue. And so besides the there's a whole variance of different types of molds that we're messing with. It also causes off-gassing too from that formaldehyde. So anyways, stay tuned for more. We hope you like these videos. We're trying to educate the consumers, again, showing them like, hey, things aren't sealed. Things that look sealed, so example, this looks sealed to the normal person, right? But if you go and you push on it, you see that it's just resting there. It's not really sealed. You can see like the indentations here where it's just resting there. It's not sealed. So when this coach is flexing and moving, expansion and contraction on temperatures, other things that we noticed is a lot of the screws and stuff are sheared off and broken. So there's a lot of little love that this guy needs to do to this unit. You can see where one of the screws penetrated here, and then there's another one there. That one's still there. But like all the plastic caps and stuff that are broken loose, a lot of times that's going to get damaged even worse or break. And then we don't know if those are still available because it's a 2012. Keep an eye on this style of light. I'm not a big fan of these. These are a sealed light, and these lights tend to crack in the center. Again, they're a sealed light, so they're screwed in on the sides. There's missing the sealant on it as well, but sometimes when they become loose and people go and tighten them, or they tighten them too much from the beginning, it'll develop a crack. And the crack like that will leak and go inside and fill up the light lens with water. And then you can see where the water, the stainage, you can see it very well in my video here, but the stainage is coming down out from it, where it's cracked and separated there too. So, all right, stay tuned for more, and I'll get back to you on more information on this unit as we deal with the customer and see what we're gonna do with it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't joined our Outdoors RV owners in the RV shop with Dustin, please check that out. Check out the photo albums, other videos that we provide. Basically at the end of the day, all these units are built similar, you know, so it's all the same materials. It's just how they put it together. Thanks so much again for watching.